Here's the breakdown of the market maker sell model of the 10th of August 2023. I'm starting off with the 4-hour chart. We can see bearish institutional order flow and the market is strong to the previous month low. I'm not going to break down why this is bearish institutional order flow in depth, but just know that every premium array is acting as resistance on price. If you want to have the full breakdown why this is the case, etc., go through the weekly reviews for the corresponding week or weeks. So here we can see that the previous day high gets purged and the previous day low gets targeted afterwards. I went short in this big breakdown candle downwards. Let's go down into H1. I'm going to turn the daily range divider on so that you are able to see it properly. And it is important to note that on this day there was CPI. At 8:30. Okay, so we have established a bearish bias on the higher time frame. The higher time frame institutional order flow is bearish. What we wait for is for the market to show its hand, so to speak. So that means we wait for a manipulation run that we can short against. In this case, because we were bearish, we were looking for a run higher into buy side liquidity above the previous day high and an SMR to form here. If you go to ES on the hourly chart and you study the relationship between Nasdaq and ES, you will see that ES took out the Tuesday high here, while Nasdaq did not. So that is bearish SMT, which signals that Nasdaq is the market to short because it's more bearish, like it was for the SMT with ES for the whole past month so far. Let's go down into M15. On M15, I'm going to take the SMT away, otherwise it's a mess here. On the M15, we can see a clean market make sell model as well. We see a buy model here into the previous day high. Annotating it for you. This is a buy model. And then on the right side, we have a sell model. Now I want you to be very honest with me when you look at this. I'm going to make this red and this green. I want you to be very honest with me when you look at this. Look at the green box and look at the red box. What move would you rather participate in? Would you rather participate in this slow price action up? Or would you rather participate in this quick price action down? I'm guessing that your answer is that you want to learn how to participate in this downwards move here. And in all honesty, the answer to solving or to getting the ability to choose what type of trades you want to take, what direction type of trades, lies in the higher time frame institutional order flow. We were bearish all week. So we wait for CPI to release at 8:30 here. Boom. That gets printed. Then 9:30 comes along. 9:30, due to swing higher. Market runs up. Purchase previous day high. SMT with ES. Sells off. Bearish breaker here. That's a short. CB here. That's another short. Those were not the trades that I took. The trade I took formed here. So let's take a look at that on the lower time frame. We have established the bearish bias. We have established the bearish bias. We wait for a POI to be reached, which is the previous day high. At what time does the previous day high get purged? At exactly 10 o'clock. Then in your mind, dots should already be connecting now, because 10 o'clock is a very important time for us. If you do not understand why yet, type in 10 o'clock within the server and study every message that gets sent with regards to that time. So we see a quick purge of that previous day high here. Small wick up. Boom, rejects right away. That's what we want to see. Do you see this long wick here? That's a gap in price. Let's measure some things on that. I'm going to apply quadrants to that wick. The fact that the market did not reach 50% or CE of this wick signals that it is so bearish, and all the things around that idea, so around this idea of we're going to see lower prices, this bearish narrative that I've just generated for you guys, in combination with this sign, is gold in my opinion. Before we go down into the lower time frame, I just want to show an example of IOFET. Here, beautiful IOFET. So let's go down into M1. Here we're on the 1 minute. Keep in mind, these quadrants and this red box is the long wick on the M5. And now you should see something. You should see something that is familiar to you. What is here at 75%? Bearish order block, right? Here. What's this here? This is a bearish breaker. Why is this the breaker? You have a high here. You have a low. Higher high. Sell off. This is a breaker. What was my short? My short setup was this. Targeting 930 liquidity and lower beyond. Healthy position all the way till Friday and managed to get an exit close to the previous month low. Just go out of replay to show you this. And by the way, on the paper trade account on TradingView, I closed it below the previous day low, like you see. Shorting in close proximity to the high of the day, buying in close proximity to the low of the day. That sums up this review.